cardamom plum rice flakes smoothie or cardamom plum rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most unique of the plum recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flakes smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the cardamom recipes and one of the most different of the plum smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the plum recipes, one of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes. We are going to make plum rice flakes cardamom milkshake. We have taken around 75 to 100 grams of rice flakes, around 50 grams of sugar, 5 to 6 cardamom pods, and around 100 grams of plum from which the seeds have been taken off and cut into pieces. Now put in the rice flakes. And the sugar. And the cardamom pods. Close and grind well. Now put in the plum pieces. Close and grind well. Now open. Pour in around 150 to 200 ml of milk. Now close and blend well. Now the plum rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour in the plum rice flakes milk smoothie into the glass. Plum rice flakes milk smoothie, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flakes smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the plum smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.